Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you LinkedIn persona verification not working. So a lot of people are facing this problem right now. If you go here to Facebook, you can see a lot of people are facing this problem. Even on the LinkedIn subreddit, you can see a lot of people are facing this issue. As you can see here, can someone help me with error from persona? Now, how do you fix this problem? It's very easy. The only way to fix this problem is to contact LinkedIn support. Now, I'll provide a link in the description. Once you click on that link, it will take you to this page here. Just provide your first name, your last name, your email associated with your account. If you type select account, access, trust, and safety provide, the subject of the error message you are facing in your question here, explain a little bit about the problem and provide an attachment of the error message, such as a screenshot like this one. Just verify you are not a robot here and submit the contact information, and the contact support team from LinkedIn will be able to help you alternatively. You can contact them on their Twitter or X page, which is linked in help. Just send them a DM and they'll also be able to help you. So this is a global issue and a lot of people are facing this problem right now. And the only method to fix this issue is to contact LinkedIn support. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.